what's up? This is Kushi. I hope you guys are safe and doing absolutely great. So before starting today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about something. Sorry for the background voice. It's again drizzling. I cannot help it. So yeah. So I wanted to talk to you guys about something that I have posted yet two IGTV videos, but the love that you guys are showering on me is incredible. Thank you for it. I really appreciate it. It really boosts my morale. Bear with my voice. I'm not well today. So yeah, you guys keep me motivated a lot, and I pretty much love it. But the only fact that I am not liking is I have kept my account open, because of which I I'm losing my followers. So guys, I just wanted to tell you one thing, that there are people who are unfollowing me, then DMing me in the request section to take a moment of theirs and help them out with their skin problems. Guys, I will definitely help you out with your skin problems, and I am taking your suggestions. But then if you don't follow me, I will not take your suggestions, because trust me guys, it takes a lot to make a video and then edit it on the same day and then post it on the same day. I am taking efforts, testing the DIYs on myself. If it can even harm my skin, but I first try it on myself and then share it with you guys, so that you guys can take care of your skin in the lockdown. But then yeah, please follow guys, because it takes a lot of efforts. Anyways, for the people who love me, I love you guys. Thank you for liking the video and commenting. You guys mean a lot to me. I feel it very happy when you try the DIYs and send me a picture that this glow came because of the DIYs, and I feel it very happy. Thank you guys. I love you all. So let's get back to today's video. So today's video is one of my favorite recipe. Yes, it's a cooking video. So today's video is about a healthy brownie. So this is my personal favorite recipe. I love brownies, और लॉकडाउन में मतलब बाहर की तरफ ब्राउनी मिल जाए तो ओ हो चाहिए ही क्या, और वो भी healthy brownie. So yeah, today I'm gonna share my experimental recipe which turned out to be super awesome. I make it every alternate day because my family loves having it after the dinner. So I'm gonna share the recipe with you guys. So let's just get into my kitchen. So this is my kitchen, you guys. Please ignore the mess behind. We are all in a lockdown. So do not comment me, कितना गंदा है आपका kitchen. मुझे पता है. Thank you. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So I'll just quickly show you the things that you need for making the brownie. It's the very basic things that you guys can easily find at your place. So yeah, I'll show you the things. Hi guys, this is the setup that I have made for you guys, so please appreciate it and like the video. Alright, so let's just start. So this is a cup of atta. Now I have used atta. You can even use maida, but I do not use maida because I think it makes the brownie very heavy to have, and also I want to make it a healthy brownie, so that is why I'm using atta. Then next up, you need a cup of milk, any milk, but not the special doodh, not that one, the normal milk. Okay, next up we have 4 slices of dark chocolate. You can even use Nutella or milk chocolate, but I prefer using dark chocolate because again healthy, and I like dark chocolate more. So I have been using today the Amul dark chocolate. So you can use any dark chocolate, but I like this one. So next up, I've used a teaspoon of Eno as baking soda. Now please guys, don't use any flavors in it. Just use the regular one like this one. So you should not use any flavors, so it can make your brownie go bad. Then the star ingredient, that is a teaspoon of ghee. Now I have used ghee. You can use edible oil, but trust me guys, I also hate ghee. Same pinch. But then ghee is a very star ingredient because it will make your brownie smooth and also give it a good flavor. Trust me guys, you will not smell ghee in the brownie. It will smell like dark chocolate, trust me. Then I have a tablespoon of baking powder. You can take any baking powder according to your choice. And then next you have half cup of powdered sugar. Now guys, you have to change the dimensions according to the amount of brownie that you have to make. The brownie that I am making would be a full, like for one person, so I'm making that much brownie. Accordingly you have to switch with the atta, milk and everything out there. So you have to just double the amount how much you want to make. So first thing that we're going to do is add some milk to this, and then just make it a liquid form in the oven. So I'll do that and get back to you guys. So this is done. This is how it should look like. I have microwaved it for 2 minutes, adding some milk to it. So this is how this should look like. Now let's start with the recipe. So this is a whisker. If you don't have a whisker, you can use a spoon or something, whatever you want to, but I am using a whisker because I have. So this is how the consistency of batter should look like. A quick update, I added some more milk to it because I thought it was very thick. So I just added some more milk to it. Sorry for the weird lighting throughout the kitchen video, because I'm not yet IGTV Pro, but soon gonna be. So yeah, now just I am going to fill it in this kind of a container. This is oven proof, and this is a tiffin that I just got my hands on in the kitchen. You can use any oven proof container and fill this batter into it. So I have just filled it. This is Desi family ka Desi Jugaad, where you do not have a lot of oven utensils. So this is how it looks. I'll just tap it a little so that it just settles down properly on place, and then I'll just get it in to the oven, and I'm gonna set the timer for the next 3 minutes. Okay, it got zyada, but it's okay. So now before getting it out of the oven, you need to take, hi, you can see me there, right? So you need to take it, need to take a toothpick and just put it inside and check whether the brownie is ready or not, so that if the toothpick comes out clean, that the brownie is ready. If it's not coming out clean, keep it inside for the next 30 seconds more. Okay, now I'll see you. Bye. So guys, 3 minutes are done. Let's just quickly check, is the brownie ready? Oh, it's ready. You can see it came out really clear, so that means your brownie is ready. Now I'll just take it off quickly. Now I'll just let it cold for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll show you how I like to eat it. So our brownie has cooled down, and I have just cut in some random shapes. It's very bad in geometry. That is the reason my shapes are not that good. So now I'm just going to drizzle it with some chocolate. So this is Cremica chocolate syrup. You can even use the Hershey's one. Just do it something like that. Weirdly, very weird, I know, but then it's cool. And then just add some of the dark chocolate which I have grated quickly. Yeah, that's it. That's how my brownie look like, you guys. As you can see, it's really very spongy, and yeah, I love it. If you like the video, please do follow guys, and tell me in the DM section what more videos would you like me to make. I'll take all the suggestions. I'll see you next time. Bye.